Good morning. Uh, this is Kari coming to you live from my kitchen in Maplewood, New Jersey. So I haven't gone live on Facebook for a long time, and the reason is because I got new bangs. No, I'm just kidding. That's not the only reason. Really, what we've been doing around here is getting ready for a brand new product. So most of you know that when I first started this business, I was doing learn to knit kits, and they've always come with a pattern, and usually they came with me. Like I would sit down and teach you how to knit. And so that's something that's really difficult to scale. And so I had to figure out, well, how can I share the love of knitting with people around the world, starting with around the US. And so I developed a new and improved knitting kit, and I want to show it to you today and do a little unboxing. So if you're joining me, please go ahead and comment. I'm posting from StreamYard, so I don't know if I can see your comment or not, but good morning. So this is the kit. This is exactly what you would get if you ordered the kit. Oh, and the exciting thing is it's from Amazon. It's only available on Amazon. So it's so brand new that I don't have any reviews yet. And so that's why I'm asking all of my friends and family and strangers and customers to go ahead and buy a kit and leave a review. And an honest review. It doesn't have to be positive, whatever you think of this kit, we're looking for reviews. Because Amazon won't show this kit as available for sale unless we have a review. So this is exactly what you'll receive, except I put the yarn in plastic to protect it. So here is the kit, and it comes with one ball of wool blend yarn, which is like super soft and squishy. This one has sort of like a lemon sherbet feel. So lemon and lavender and lime, and it makes a scarf. So I have a scarf here ready to show you. It makes a scarf that has like a nice gradient feel, very soft and machine washable, but wool blend. So that's what the kit makes. It comes with bamboo needles. These are clovers, size 9, to make your scarf. And it comes with kind of my signature project bag that I like to include, which is made from upcycled sari fabric. And that is from the MSK Collective in India. So you get a project bag, you get the needles, you get the yarn, and then what you do is you scan this code, and I'm going to share the screen and show you what comes with it. So yes, we have the pattern that you can print out, but then we also have, all right, so let me share my screen. Okay. All right, so then we also have a Learn to Knit video, and that is about 15 minutes long, and it has, I don't know if you can, how big this is, but you can see my hands in an overhead position, and you can also see me straight on doing the knitting. There's the scarf pattern. And then there is the new and improved Learn to Knit ebook that you can download. So let me stop sharing. So it has all those things that come with it. And there's also my email address, so that if you have any questions when you're learning how to knit, you can reach out to me directly. So yeah, that's it. And I'll put the link in the comments, and I'll put a link. This will be posted on YouTube as well, so that you can go ahead and get your own Learn to Knit kit. I think we've sold 8 so far. So I'm hoping that by the time that you see this video, we'll have sold 80, and then someday 800. So the Learn to Knit kits, I know it's like, okay, it's hot out, it's the summertime, why am I learning how to knit? But it's a wonderful rainy day activity, and it's great for screen-free time for kids and adults. Also an excellent thing to send to your kid when they go to camp, a great care package. All of their friends will be jealous, trust me. Great. So have a wonderful, wonderful Memorial Day weekend. And don't forget to click on the link below so that you can get your very own Learn to Knit kit. Thanks, everybody.